Hello guys, I'm working right now on my Ford Expedition 2010 Eddie Bauer, and as you can see my AC is running, but I got no air coming out of the vents, and that's because if you open the glove box, behind the glove box and a blower, sorry about that, the blower, and this white square thing back there, that's the resistor that control the speed of the blower. When that resistor goes bad, you got no air coming out of the vent. So going to replace that resistor pretty easy. Just reach underneath, you see, little space right there, and get a 5/16 ring, and just remove this bolt, both on both sides, unplug it and pull it out. Very simple. The part number that you need is this one. Right, I just remove it here. And this is the old part, the one we're replacing right now. And this is the new one. Okay guys, I just replaced the part right here. And let's test. Yep, working all the speeds. That's pretty neat. Well, now you guys know how to replace that. It's really simple. You don't need to go to a mechanic. That part just cost me $57 on Amazon. Really, it's really simple to replace.